Hi guys, I'm Chrisspy. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am excited for today because I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my wigs. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Last time we talked about wigs here on my channel, Vanessa was here doing a professional install on me. She's super talented, really cool. I encourage you guys to check her out. I'll link her info down below. But it's been a minute since I've shown you guys how I apply my wigs. My technique has totally changed, so I'm excited to update you guys today. I started wearing wigs about like 7 or 8 years ago, and I discovered them here on YouTube. And the reason why I started wearing wigs is because I was really insecure about my hair. Like, I still am. But my hair was so damaged. And I would put in so many extensions, and I had so much heat damage and so much bleach damage. So when I discovered wigs, it just kind of opened this whole new world for me of all these possibilities of different ways I could express myself through my hair with these wigs. Basically, I never really style my own hair. I go through phases where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna dye it and I'm gonna like make it work and like whatever, and I'm like, just leave it alone, please. Like, just let your hair live. Anytime you see my hair styled, it's a wig. Okay, that being said, I only wear my wigs for a few hours at a time. Like Vanessa's install that she did was more for if you're gonna wear it for like a longer period of time. For the most part, I just wear it for the day and then I take it off at night. So this application is for that. Okay, so how I have my hair just like pinned back right now, this is how I wear my hair under my wigs. The reason for that is because I have really thin hair, so it's not too bulky. Depending on how thick your hair is, you're gonna have to explore other options. I've seen some people just braid it, like 2 braids to the side, and then kind of pack the volume of your hair back here because that's where it's hidden. Or obviously you can braid the whole thing down. Honestly, I wear my hair with a lot of volume up here, so I don't care if it's poofy, but a lot of people prefer that very like sleek, tight look, and you definitely want it to be flat right here. I'll put Olaplex in my hair. I'll put dry shampoo on my hair and on the inside of the wig because I don't wear a wig cap. So a good dry shampoo to use on the inside of your wig cap is this Way Super Dry Shampoo. This one smells really nice. This is a Freedom Couture wig I've had for a few years. So this is a full lace wig, and all that means is that instead of tracks, all of the hair is pulled through the lace cap. So yeah, how I put it on is I just grab it right here in the very front with my thumb and my finger, and then most wigs will come with an elastic strap on the inside. So I just go like this, pull this over, and then pull it back. So I kind of just like adjust it to see, you know, how far back I want it, where I want my part to be. Let's see. Okay, so it's on, and the way this one fits is pretty snug. I'd say like some of them are snug, some of them feel like they're gonna fall off. This one, I feel like actually I don't really have to glue, but I feel more secure when I do glue it down because it just feels like a gust of wind isn't gonna come and my wig's gonna be like, shh. If you guys can see, the lace is not super visible, but I mean a little bit it's there. So I'm just going to show you guys how I will basically melt the lace into my skin. I do my makeup first before I put on my wig because I have trouble if I put the wig on first. I use like a ton of bronzer and I feel like it makes it more visible. So personally, I do my makeup first and then I glue my wig on. So then I'm just gonna slide this back a little bit, and I'm gonna take my Got2b spray. Got to be glued. I have this on my Amazon store. I'll link my Amazon store down below. This is the best. Actually, I'm gonna pull my wig back even more because I don't want it to get on my wig. This is like truly hideous right now. Like, I have to admit that there's a part of me that's thinking like, girl, your future husband like could be watching this right now and then he won't be your future husband. I hit it with a blow dryer on cool for just a few seconds. So actually that dried super quick. blow dryer was not even necessary. I'm going to go in again with the Got2b. Take my comb and push this back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the end of this comb and I'm gonna push the edge of that lace into the skin. I'm having like amazing luck right now, you guys, because honestly, normally the lace doesn't just disappear like this. Oops. So that all pretty much stuck the first time. I have some adjustments we're gonna make still, but normally it doesn't. Like I'm like I got really lucky right now on camera. Normally I'll be spraying the edge of the brush with the Got2b and I have to go back in and kind of rotate the brush and just melt it into the skin. But I don't know. Also, sometimes if the lace is being really, I don't know, stubborn and not sticking, I'll use the actual gel. I'll put this down and then do the spray. Okay, so first what I do is I like style the body of the hair and then we're gonna work on shaping this and flyaways and all that. Oh, and I don't think I said this yet. I'm also just gonna like, you can see the clips back here. Just gonna go ahead and clip it so that it feels secure. So I'm just gonna add a couple curls around the face because I feel like it's not, well, I don't know, is it super important to see how I style it? I feel like it's more about like the application and like the wig specificities and not so much the styling, right? Is it? I don't know. So in terms of like what wigs I wear, for the most part I wear Freedom Couture wigs. I really love their wigs. I will say though that they are very, very expensive. They're my favorite wigs, but that's not to say that they're the only good wigs out there. Also, another tip, I would say like one of the best ways that my wigs in my mind look natural is not only like the application. Obviously sometimes I'm like better at it than others because just like I said, it's like makeup, like some days they're good, sometimes it's not your best day. But also getting your wig cut to look like real hair, because a lot of the times the wigs will come uncut and it's just looks more natural when it's cut with like layers, or like it looks how, you know, someone with real hair would look. Okay, so most of the time I just run my fingers through my hair. Sometimes I'll take a comb. Okay, so the next step that I would do is gonna be shaping the hair. A hot comb will also do the same thing, but I just use my curling iron. And be very careful. Actually, don't even do this. Don't do what I do. But right now, so say I want like more volume in the part. One thing I'll do is I'll grab the hair right here and then I'll put the curling iron and just kind of like move it over. And I'll lay that down. And I'll do that for a few sections. And then when I bring it back, it just lifts it up right there. And like say I want my hair to like stay really up right here, I'll take the curling iron too, and I'll just set it right there. And then let it, you guys are like, you know, you don't see it yet. It's okay, it's gonna get there. Oh, and you wanna make sure that you have like this part of your hair flat, and then, you know, just like a little bit of bounce, like a natural part would be. So I'll do it like just a tad, but not too much. Because like I said, when it's like too poofy right there, it'll look wiggy. So then I'll go like this. Kind of just make sure like this back portion of my hair is flat. So I'll like tuck it behind the ear sometimes. And then I use this a lot for my wigs. This is Color Wow. This one is in dark brown, and this is just a little powder that you can use to darken your roots. They have a blonde one. So I'll take this right here cover the lace right there. I mean, not totally necessary, but I just wanted to share this tip with you guys. And like sometimes when I'm doing like a platinum wig, I'll use the blonde powder or even like a Studio Fix powder to just blend my roots right here, and it helps hide it. Oh, I forgot to mention baby hairs. So this wig, I've actually tweezed it myself. For the most part, I don't do baby hairs. I think it's more of like a stylistic choice. Just depends on what you like. Naturally, I don't have baby hairs, so I feel like the wig almost looks like more natural on me when I don't have baby hairs, but I still will do them sometimes if I need to hide the lace. It's like a really good way to just comb those little hairs over, and it hides the lace if the lace is visible or being difficult that day. So another thing that I'll use is mousse. Mousse is really, really great for styling wigs. Like say if you want to change the part or you want flyaways to go away, mousse is the way to go. Even though this is like a super, super sticky hairspray, for some reason it doesn't hold down my baby hairs as well as mousse. I'm just gonna take like a little bit. What the hell are they barking at? So yeah, I really love using mousse because it will help the hair look just very neat and styled, but it doesn't look like stiff. You know what I'm saying? Not like too much product. Oh yeah, I'm sure some of you are wondering, like, is it secure? Like, is it gonna like come off? Honestly, it's pretty secure. Like someone would have to pull on it. Ow. Someone would have to pull on it really hard for it to come off. Which like, I just hope at this point in my life, like I'm not in those types of situations. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I feel like always really secure just with using the Got2b on. Like I feel like, you know, someone's not gonna like hug me and it's not gonna like slide off. It's on there. So yeah, that's it. Like this is exactly, well, I would probably curl it a little bit more. I just wanted to like demonstrate to you guys how I put on my wigs, how I shape them, what products I use and all that. Wigs are, it's just like makeup. Like everybody has their own techniques, and just like makeup too, you can have the most expensive wig, and if the application is bad, the wig's gonna look bad. And if you get like a really cheap wig but you're bomb at, you know, applying the wig, it's gonna look amazing. There's just a lot to it, and I feel like the possibilities are really endless when it comes to wigs. I hope that I answered all of your guys' questions. I have a feeling I didn't because it's just like so simple, but hopefully it did. Leave me your comments, questions down below. I'll be reading those, and if you guys want more wig videos, I'm totally down to do that because I love wigs. Make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.